Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast, Talk Smart English. Today we have a very interesting topic, how to talk in English in just 7 days for beginners.
Hello, everyone. Yes, Paul, many beginners think learning English takes years, but with the right plan, daily practice, and smart methods, anyone can start speaking English in just 7 days. That sounds amazing, but is it really possible? Yes, absolutely. Beginners can learn basic speaking, daily sentences, and confidence in 7 days if they follow a simple daily routine.
Great. So today we will share a 7-day speaking plan that anyone can follow at home.
Yes, and this plan is easy, practical, and perfect for beginners.
So Lena, what should beginners do on day 1?
On day 1, beginners should focus on basic English words and very simple daily sentences.
Can you give some examples?
Of course, they can practice sentences like, I am learning English. My name is Rahul. I am hungry. I like tea. I am at home. These sentences are short, simple, and very useful in daily life.
So beginners should repeat these sentences daily?
Yes, repeating them aloud 20-30 times helps build confidence and memory.
What about day 2?
On day 2, beginners should listen to easy English and repeat loudly.
Why is listening so important?
Because listening helps improve pronunciation, accent, sentence flow, and understanding. They can listen to short English podcasts, simple YouTube videos, daily conversations, and slow English stories.
How much time should they spend?
Just 20 to 30 minutes daily is enough. Then repeat what you hear.
Many learners say they don't have anyone to practice with. What should they do?
They should start talking to themselves in English. This is a very powerful method. They can describe daily activities like, I am brushing my teeth. I am cooking food. I am studying English. I am going to market.
That really helps?
Yes, it removes fear, builds confidence, and improves fluency.
What is the focus of day 4?
On day 4, beginners should start thinking in English instead of translating from their native language.
How can they do that?
For example, when you see a chair, think, this is a chair, not the word in your own language. This makes your brain respond faster and helps you speak naturally.
So thinking in English increases fluency?
Yes, it makes speaking smooth and automatic.
What should learners practice on day 5?
They should practice daily life conversations like greetings, introductions, shopping, travel, and phone calls. For example, how are you? I am fine, thank you. Can you help me, please? How much is this?
These are very useful daily sentences.
Yes, and practicing them daily makes real-life conversation easy.
Many beginners feel nervous and scared while speaking English. They always worry about making mistakes. What should they do in this situation?
This is a very common problem, Paul. Most beginners are afraid because they think people will laugh at them or judge their English. But they should always remember one very important thing. Mistakes are a natural and necessary part of learning any language. Without mistakes, real learning never happens. When a baby learns to speak, he or she also makes many mistakes, but nobody laughs. In the same way, beginners should not feel shy or embarrassed. Every mistake helps us understand what is right and what is wrong, and slowly we improve.
So should beginners stop worrying about grammar and perfection?
Yes, absolutely. Beginners should not focus too much on grammar in the beginning. Their main goal should be clear communication, not perfect English. If your message is understood, that means your English is working. They should speak freely, confidently, and without fear. Even if the sentence is not perfect, speaking regularly will improve fluency, pronunciation, and confidence.
So can we say that mistakes are actually helpful?
Yes, of course. Mistakes are very helpful. Every mistake teaches us something new. The more mistakes you make, the faster you learn. So instead of feeling afraid, beginners should feel happy that they are learning.
Now we have reached the final day, day 7. What should beginners focus on the last day of this 7-day English speaking challenge?
Day 7 is the most important day because it is all about revision, practice, confidence building, and self-motivation. On this day, learners should revise everything they learned in the last 6 days. They should repeat basic sentences, listen to simple English audio, speak in front of a mirror, talk to themselves, and practice small conversations daily. This helps in strengthening memory and improving speaking flow.
So revision plays a big role in learning?
Yes, revision is extremely important. Without revision, we forget quickly. But when we revise daily, our brain stores the language permanently, and speaking becomes natural and automatic.
After following this 7-day plan, will beginners really start speaking English?
Yes, definitely. After 7 days, beginners will feel more confident, comfortable, motivated, and positive. They may not become perfect, but they will surely start thinking and speaking basic English without fear. Their hesitation will reduce, their confidence will increase, and their speaking speed will improve a lot.
That sounds very encouraging. Do you have any final message for our listeners?
Yes, I want to say one important thing. Never give up. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Practice daily, even if it is just 10-15 minutes. Be confident, be patient, believe in yourself, and keep practicing. Slowly and steadily, your English will improve, and one day you will speak English fluently and confidently.
Thank you so much, Lena, for sharing such valuable tips and guidance with our listeners.
You're welcome, Paul, and thank you to everyone who listened to our podcast with full attention.
We hope this lesson helps you improve your English speaking skills.
See you in the next episode. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing. Bye, everyone, and happy learning.